Hi everyone, welcome to Droid G channel. Today's video will teach you how to fix the frozen screen of your Samsung phone. If you find that your Samsung phone is stuck on the logo screen or stuck on a certain interface of the phone, your phone is frozen on lock screen Samsung, your phone freezes on lock screen Samsung, all applications on the screen and others cannot tap and see, the battery level does not change. Why is your Samsung phone frozen? It is likely to be a software problem caused by the system or a third-party application. The storage space of the Samsung phone may also cause the Samsung phone to freeze. The connection between the phone screen and the phone is not in good contact. The phone hardware is broken. Malicious or inappropriate third-party applications, etc. If your Samsung phone encounters the same problem, please refer to the following methods to restore your phone to normal. Method 1 is to restart your phone. If your phone freezes when the screen is on, force restart your phone. Rebooting your phone may kill all background services, which can fix a frozen phone. Please use the Samsung key combination to hard restart the phone. Press and hold the phone's power button and volume down button for 10 to 15 seconds until the phone vibrates or you see the Samsung phone icon, then you can let go. Please wait patiently for the phone to restart. After the restart is successful, please check whether the phone can be used normally. Method 2 is to check storage space. Your phone is frozen. It may be that your device does not have enough memory space to run the application. Please click on the settings of the Android phone, and after entering the settings interface, please find the storage option to check how much storage space is available. If storage space is low, you may need to delete some files, unused apps and clean up junk. Some phones automatically have a free space button. You can click this button without worry. Method 3 is to check for phone updates. Samsung regularly releases software updates that can fix a range of device software issues. If your phone is frozen, it's most likely caused by a piece of software. Therefore, you need to update your mobile phone software in time. Please open the settings, find the software update in the settings interface and click it. Click download and install. Your device will check for available updates. If an update is available for your device, you will be asked to download and install it. Your device will display your software is up to date if no updates are available. Method 4 is to put the Samsung phone into safe mode. Safe mode lets you run your device with its basic interface, with simplified menus and without most third-party apps. You can use this to help identify and fix problems on your device. Please press and hold the power button. On the shutdown screen, press and hold the shutdown icon until you see the green safe mode icon. Please click OK and your phone will restart and boot to the home screen in safe mode. Try the phone in safe mode to see if it works. If it does, delete your recently installed apps until the phone returns to normal. Method 5 is to restore factory settings. Connect your phone to your computer. Then, make sure your phone is turned off and wait at least 30 seconds. Next, press the volume up button and the power button at the same time until you see the recovery mode screen. You can let go while seeing the recovery mode screen. From the Samsung recovery screen, select Wipe Data/Factory Reset using the volume buttons and press the power button to confirm. Then, use the volume buttons to select Factory Reset and use the volume buttons to select the Yes option to confirm. This will trigger the reset process, which should only take 2 to 3 seconds to complete. Once done, it will take you back to the recovery mode interface. Use the power button to select the Reboot System Now option. Finally, your phone will turn on and reboot to the home screen. Samsung phones need to be reactivated after a factory reset. Please follow the prompts to reactivate. After the activation is successful, please verify whether the phone is back to normal again. Method 6 is to seek professional help. If you have tried all of the above and nothing worked for you, at this point, you need to take your phone to a Samsung store, and let a professional help you check and fix the freezing problem of your Samsung phone. That's all for today's video. If you think this video is helpful to you and think we did a good job, please like, share and tell us which method helped you solve the problem in the comment area. At the same time, if you think there is room for improvement, you can also express your views and suggestions in the message area. Thanks. Good luck.